welcome to Liz's Easy Living. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Today we have a different recipe for you all to try. It is protein balls. So this is actually the protein that I like to use. It's Beachbody Recover. It's chocolate flavor, but you can use vanilla too, that's fine. So this is item 1 out of 5 ingredients that you need. So it's a very simple recipe. Item 2 that you need is going to be your choice of nut butters. I prefer the almond butter because it gives it actually a different taste, kind of like toffee actually, and I love toffee. So this is the kind that I'm using. Third ingredient you need is some raw honey. You could also use agave or maple syrup. The fourth item that you need, we all love chocolate chips, right? So I prefer the dark chocolate chips. You can use chunks chips, whatever your preference. And the last item you need are some sliced almonds or any other nut of your preference. I just like the almonds, I like them sliced, and I actually bash them up a little bit so that they're in a little bit smaller pieces. So that's it, 5 ingredients for protein balls. Okay, so let's get to mixing. We have 2 heaping scoops of protein powder, half a cup of your nut butter, quarter cup of honey or sweetener of your choice, and about a quarter cup each of the nuts and chocolate chips. Okay, just stir it on up. Sometimes I like to use a little bit of a bigger bowl because the protein powder gets crazy. It's gonna get pretty sticky and hard to stir, so I kind of use this weird like push stir method. I could probably use a food processor or something like that too, but I'm not that sophisticated. Almost there. Okay, so your consistency is going to be pretty thick, but that's okay because we're about to roll them into balls. So, the little scoop, make sure you got nice clean hands. And, you roll them up. Okay, just like that. And repeat until all of the dough is rolled into balls. I try to make sure that I have a couple chocolate chips in each one. And I'm kind of a weirdo, I like them all the same size. But you don't have to. It's called OCD. Thanks, Mom. I've tried this with vanilla protein powder and it's still really good, and I've actually tried it with peanut butter too, and it's still really good, but this recipe just happens to be my favorite. And sometimes I'll even mix like the honey with agave or the honey with maple syrup just to, you know, get that different flavor. This one's gonna be good as lots of chocolate chips. there you have it, the finished product. Now what you want to do is store them in the fridge, and oh my gosh, they're so good, I promise. I actually even have a friend that I took some to, and she was like, okay, protein balls, whatever, but she actually liked them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my protein ball recipe, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you later.